it's Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here again with our find of the week. And I am out here visiting my mom and dad for Thanksgiving. Mom and I just got done having some pie, ice cream, and coffee out in the rose garden. And I wanted to show you one of her beautiful arbors that we got for her in her garden. So with that, let's come this way. Let's come this way. There you can get a sneak peek. Just came in the cart. We got some Christmas stuff and the kids are helping me. So everybody's there. There's Cocoa Bean too. So let me show you. We've got this beautiful arbor here. And Mom got 2 of them. She wanted 2 of them, put 2 of them on order. And they're very big. They have an unusual shape, which is what I like about them. And then they've got planters here at the bottom where you can plant things on either side. And then they've got a welcome sign at the top, but they're kind of like a teardrop shape and come in. And what she did is she put 2 together, and then she planted Katrina roses, and these are called Katrina roses because they're the only thing that actually survived Hurricane Katrina in all that salt water. I think those are 2 years old. I ordered some, don't have mine planted yet. We ordered them from Chambly's Roses. I love ordering their roses. And I need to get mine in the ground, still haven't done it. I want them to come over the side of my chicken coop. They have a beautiful pink bud on them in the spring, but they just flourish. This is my first time planting them actually. But these arbors are very large. Again, there are 2 of them. She used 2 of them. And they come like in a kind of a soft teal vintage antique style patina. And here you can see them from the side. And then what she did was she took some wire, and they're probably about 3 feet apart down here. And then she used wire to bridge that gap and iron, and she's going to grow them so that they'll be about a 5-foot, 4-foot wide arbor when they're done. So anyway, be sure and check out all of our antiques and collectibles, where we of course have more than just antiques, because I love to work outside and love to be in the garden, at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com. And tell us what you think of these arbors and where you'd put them. She wanted to do 3, but ended up doing 2. And I think 2 is perfect for this area. But anyway, they're just beautiful. It'll be even more beautiful next year when this thing is blooming. We will see if we can get you some video of that. Take care and have a great week.